Free crypto tokens just landed in your wallet? That's an airdrop. But how does India tax these goodies? In India, these freebies come with some clear tax rules. Let's break down the two ways they can be taxed. Super simple and easy to understand. Airdrops are tokens that crypto projects give out for free, often to build hype. Pretty cool, right? But here's where taxes come in. First method. When the tokens land in your wallet, they are treated as income. That means you pay tax on their value right away, based on your income tax slab. Later, if you sell them, any profit, selling price minus the original value, is a capital gain. And that gain is taxed at a flat 30%. For example, let's say you receive 100 tokens worth rupees 10 each. That's rupees 1000 and it's taxed as income right away. If you later sell those tokens at rupees 15 each, you make rupees 1500 total. Your profit is rupees 500 and you'll pay rupees 150 as tax on that gain. Second method, there's no tax when you receive the tokens. They're considered to have zero cost. But when you sell them, the full sale amount is taxed as capital gains at 30%. So if you sell 100 tokens at rupees 15 each, that's rupees 1500 and you'll owe rupees 450 in tax. Here's an important detail. If the total value of your airdrops in a financial year is rupees 50,000 or less, they're treated as a gift and you don't pay any tax. If the value goes over rupees 50,000 nowadays, then the full amount is taxed when you sell. Whichever method applies to you, Coinex makes crypto taxes simple and stress-free. You can stay compliant without the headache. Pro tip: always check with your tax advisor for the method that fits your situation best. Head over to coinex.com and handle your crypto taxes like a rockstar.